In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Namecheap subscription. Whether you found another domain provider or simply no longer need the service, this handy guide will walk you through the process step by step in just a few minutes. First off, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head to the Namecheap website by entering namecheap.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, proceed to log in using your personal credentials. This step is crucial as it grants you access to all your Namecheap account features. If you happen to have forgotten your password, simply follow the forgot password link to reset it. Once you're successfully logged in, take a glance at the upper left corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice your username positioned conveniently next to the Contact Us button. Give it a click. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select the Dashboard option. The dashboard is the control center of your Namecheap account, allowing you to manage all your domains and hosting services conveniently. After selecting the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Hosting List. This section catalogs all of your current hosting packages. From here, identify the hosting service associated with your domain name and click the Manage option adjacent to it. This will direct you to a page with details about your hosting service. If you're looking to simply stop auto renewals, locate the Auto Renews Every Month Year option. Untick the check mark to disable this feature. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you're not charged for services you no longer require. However, if you prefer to cancel your hosting service immediately and have all data erased, submit a cancellation request. This option is available right there on the same account management page. Alternatively, if your hosting service has a grace or expired status, navigate to the domain list menu on the left, set your view to all products in the upper right corner, and use the drop-down menu beside the Renew button to find and select the Manage option. For those with an active subscription, look for the Cancel Service button next to the specific package you'd like to discontinue, and for those with a service under expired or grace status, the process is similar. Click on the drop-down menu near the Renew button and choose Cancel Service. The final step is to fill in the cancellation form with your feedback and submit the request. Once you've completed this step, keep an eye out for an email confirmation which will notify you that your cancellation request has been processed successfully. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to easily cancel your Namecheap subscription. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out in the comments below. Until next time.